What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we're checking out a quick package that I just received. I think this one came to me over TikTok. I think a shop reached out to me and said, hey, do you want to check this out? And I was like, sure, send it to me. And here it is. So if it is what I think it is, this is going to be an interesting unboxing to say the least. Doing the honors, we have the ATK folder here. This one's been a pretty sweet carry so far. I just unboxed it recently in the channel. If you haven't seen the unboxing video, definitely check it out. But it's going to put in some work here opening this box or this package. Of course, there will be links for this knife and every other product that you see in this video, linked down below in the description and also in the pinned comments as well. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to do a little pinch grip right here, make an incision going on. Boom, right on the side there. Of course, that hollow grind is going to put it in work. And let's see what we are working with, right? Let's take a look. This is called the Key Unity element. Key Unity element. That's interesting. All right, made in China. Let's see. I think it's that if I'm recalling right, this might be like a key EDC key holder or something along those lines. So let's take a look. If I can open the box, here we go. Ooh, bam! Right, take a look at it right there, guys. It is Key Unity is the brand. Right, check them out on TikTok and also on Instagram as well. And we have a long catalog right here for all the other models that they have. So they gave me some options to choose from. I looked through all of these, and the one that I ended up, liking was this one, right? So we'll go over that one in a second. I didn't know they did knives as well. So apparently they have a slip joint. That's what that one looks like. They have a folder right there, right? So that's interesting. So they probably have a plethora of other products. Man, okay. They sent me the whole catalog right here. All right, check that out. Has some other knives going on there. That's interesting. They got pens. All right, that's nice. All right, sort of carabiner looking, with a blade attached. That's nice. Pry bars, flashlights. That's a hefty carabiner pry bar combo right there. All right, how sweet are these? Okay, necklaces, pocket clips, right, leather slips, and basically everything around keychain rings and everything else in between. So that is pretty sweet, right? Pretty sweet. Is there more on the other side? You bet, right? Here we go. Yeah, it's safe to say that they have a ton of options with a ton of different models, right? One is definitely going to be right up your alley for sure. So lots of combinations here from what I can gather, right? Definitely a company worth checking out right here. Key Unity. This is their product brochure. So hopefully, I mean, if this video goes well, they might send some more here to the channel. So let's just go ahead and get into this one. My understanding is this is titanium, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, it is titanium. The whole thing is titanium. So that's really good. No pull on that magnet whatsoever. Also comes in nicely sealed, and you can use your favorite knife to open it, or just, slide it open like that, right? So here it is, right? Titanium ring holder here. That's pretty neat. First thing you notice about this carabiner here is the lightweight. This thing is super, super lightweight. All right, check out the fit and finish here. You got the logo printed on the side there. It says the model number KM19SW. And checking out the tension here, right? This is pretty good to operate. So nice and soft because of the way it's cut out in this sort of zigzag pattern right here. So nice and easy to open. It does say tie right there for titanium, right? Got this nice little connecting piece, which is also branded as Key Utility, also right there. And we have the typical keychain ring right here, which is titanium too. So that's interesting to see how that's going to hold tension over time. So far, it seems to be doing pretty okay. Now let me show you what my current solution for a keychain is like. I know it looks a little bit bulky, but it is the Nite IZE I think this one has a model name, G-Series, Nite IZE, very affordable. I think this one's like $5. And then what I like about this one is the sections, everything is locked sort of in place. So your keys won't leave this bottom section right there, right? And let me know if you want to see a dedicated video for this one. I can certainly do that if you guys are interested. But I'm just going to take everything out here, and I guess I'll try to put it on the new one, and let's see how that goes. Now, probably the best approach there will be to make it perhaps, okay, so unlike the Nite IZE, where you can just simply slide everything in, the carabiner part is also the key holding part. Here's two different sections. The carabiner section is up here, and the key holding section is down here. So I guess, you know, I'll have to add things manually. So I'll do that. All right, here we go. Make a little bit of room there. Here's my car keys right there, right? Let's say I added the air tag on there as well. So this one's easier because I have a nice little mechanism there. So it could be something a little bit more simplified, right? I'm not going to add, I guess I could add all the keys and everything on there if you really wanted to go janitor style, but you get the idea, right? The purpose is, well, this is going to be very, very lightweight, even with the key fob being the heaviest thing on here. The carabiner itself is not adding any additional weight. That is one thing, right? Compared to the Nite IZE, which is also not very heavy either, right? Oh, this one's called the Slide Lock number 3. Slide Lock number 3. That's a model on that one. And again, this one from KeyUtility is the KM4M, KM04M. All right, so this will be very easy to put in and out of, you know, in your belt loop or whatever it is you want to hang it on. And very, very lightweight, very elegant. Okay, so that is pretty neat. Now, let me see if I can get a weight on both of these really quick, just for comparison purposes, if you would. And that's going to be a nice quick unboxing experience right there. So let's just take a look. So, all right, first the Nite IZE comes in at 0.6 ounces or 18 grams. That's not bad. And the KeyUtility comes in at 0.5. All right, so this one is certainly stainless steel. Right, you can see the pull there on the magnet. This one's titanium, so it's a little bit, you know, lighter weight, but not by a ton, but, you know, comparable. 0.5 ounces or 15 grams. All right, so definitely want to make sure I showed you that. So these are available on the TikTok shop. I'm going to try to see if they're available on Amazon as well. And I'll link to as many different places as this guy may be available. I know this guy is available on Amazon as well, so I'll link it down below. This has been my current solution for, you know, my keys for quite some time now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to EDC or carry this one for a while. And I'm going to come back, you know, if there's enough interest on this video. Let me know if you want to see a review video on this, you know, carabiner key holder combination here from KeyUtility. If there's enough interest, I'll make a review video. If not, I'll just, you know, this will be the unboxing first impressions video. Let me know what you want to know about this guy, right? What questions do you have? Let me know in the comments. Again, I think it's pretty neat the way they did the zigzag pattern right there, the way they cut the titanium so it gives you enough flexibility to be able to, you know, do this. That's pretty cool, pretty neat right there. So very, very interesting key holder combination there from KeyUtility, right? I'm going to be using it here for some time, try to gather as much feedback as I can, and then let me know if you guys want to see a review video on this. If there's enough interest, I'll go ahead and make that review video. If you got value out of this video so far, smash that like button. Definitely check them out on the link below if you're interested on picking yourself up one of these. It does help out the channel when you use those links, but that is entirely up to you and at zero extra cost. If you made it to the end, you are the real MVP. Check out these two videos on the screen there for you that YouTube thinks you're gonna enjoy next. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next video, either this one or this one. Peace.